Here we are on 6th Avenue, Calgary, Alberta, May 9th at 3:25 p.m. And there's a cruiser here in a loading zone, which the rule is 20 minutes maximum. I don't know how long he's been here. There's a cop car right here on the bottom of the screen, and you see the sign on top. Just checking his car, how clean it is, any damage on it. Let's go look inside. And as you see, his computer, his laptop is open. So there's a lot of private information on there that he's showing to the public, as we are allowed to film. He's got his police hat there. So that's a no-no, to show private information like this. It's got a little bit of damage right here. A little bit of damage on the car right there. His tires looks brand new. Looks like winter tires, all season, maybe Michelin's. They look like nice tires. And front of the car, his glass is all good, it's nothing broken. My only beef here is, so again, taking a filming the police officer car here. We'll take his license plate number, CPD 6410. So my biggest beef here with this guy is that he's parked in a loading zone with a 20-minute maximum. So I don't know how long he's been here, but I'm not going to wait all day. He's most likely in the courthouse for a case. That doesn't give him the right to be parked in the loading zone for hours. So that's going over and above the law. Anybody else would be getting a ticket, including myself, but they don't. And again, looking inside his car, he's got his laptop open with private information on there. That's a big no-no. I wish he'd come up, show up. We'd have a discussion about that, because he should know better. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'll let it go at this. Again, today is May 9th, 2024, Calgary, Alberta. Have a great day.